All right. Good morning. It is Monday, November 27th, 2023. We hope you had a nice weekend, a nice long Thanksgiving weekend. I know personally, I really enjoyed my time with family. I think I'd shared in previous videos, over the last few weeks, I've been traveling quite a bit for work. And so to have, holiday shortened work week to spend some more time with my little family was really really fun, and a lot of t-ball and a lot of ballet going on and soccer and just some really fun time for the Kroll house. So we hope you had a really nice weekend as well. Gosh, I definitely ate too much. I feel like I need to get back in the gym routine here. Maybe like get in there twice today, but yeah, feel good. So certainly a lot to be thankful for, a lot to be grateful for. So first thing I want to touch on, so this coming weekend, Friday and Sunday, our client appreciation hockey games. So many of you have attended in the past. Just a really really fun couple evenings to share what feels like a lifetime ago, but obviously hockey is near and dear to our office and was a big part of our lives at one point. And so just a couple details to point out. First off, doors open 1 hour before puck drop. All right, so Friday night the game starts at 7:05, so you can come into the building, you can come into our suites at 6:05. All right, and as we did it last year, which worked out really well, we're gonna have all the appetizers and drinks. Those will all be ready to go right at or shortly thereafter. 6:05. So come on in early. So that's gonna be 6:05. The doors will open Friday night. Sunday the game's at 3:05. So doors will open at 2:05. All right. So come on in. Parking. All right, just tell them that you are with Oceanside Advisors, and they should waive any kind of parking fee. I don't know what that is these days, but obviously we don't want you paying that. So I'm not sure if they're going to have a list, but just communicate with the parking attendant when you pull in that you're with our group, and they should let you in without problem. The third thing I want to bring to your attention, just a reminder, the bag policy. Okay, so this has changed in years past. So we just don't want you to walk up with a bag that they don't allow for security reasons, and then have to turn around, go back to your car, put it back in. So you should have received one of these when we sent out the invites. But bag either needs to be clear if it's like a big bag, or it needs to be a small clutch purse. So it says here not to exceed 4.5 by 6.5 inches, or the third scenario, pretty good reason here, if you carry in an infant, you can bring in a big diaper bag. So let us know if you have questions on that, but yeah, we don't want you to have to come back and forth twice. So that should be good. And then Sunday, if you're coming to the Sunday game, it's at the teddy bear toss where they raise, they gather all the bears for the stuffed animals for some kids in the area that might not be receiving a lot of presents this year. So a really, really nice cause. So if you're coming to the Sunday game, you're certainly welcome to bring a stuffed animal. All right, and then always a fun event when as soon as they score the first goal, everyone throws them out on the ice. It's a fun little environment. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. But please call. Oh, and then important, we will be, or we won't, but the ticket office will be texting out your tickets sometime this week. I should have a more precise time in the next day or two here. But usually it's 2 or 3 days before the game, right? So whatever cell phone number you provided, you will receive the tickets via text message on that phone. So, and we will be following up as well. Okay, cool. Just really quickly, market last week, holiday shortened week, but moved modestly higher. Very quiet week of headlines, of course. Not a lot going on. Really trading. The trade volume was really, really low, which is typical. But markets did move higher. Equity markets, that is, move higher. Bond yields have kind of stabilized off the highs. So it's kind of nice to see the fixed income market performing a little bit better. So this week we receive the PCE inflation data. Okay, that's always a really important one. Even more so than maybe CPI, because the PCE data, this is the Fed's preferred metric. All right, and while it certainly seems like the Fed is done for the year and probably done for this economic cycle, still an important number if it came out, if it happened to be much higher than expected, of course, maybe a rate hike's back on the table in December. Unlikely, but definitely a number that we're going to be keeping our eyes on. So with that, we hope you have a wonderful week. Again, looking forward to seeing many of you on Friday and Sunday. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks.